Okay, hello, welcome back again. Okay, let's talk a little bit about how to create table contents, okay, in InDesign. Okay, it's very easy, but however, the first thing that you have to do, okay, is of course create paragraph style like this. All right, don't forget about that. I already talked about how to create paragraph style. Okay, make sure you watch the previous video, okay, on the master page design. All right, so anyhow, when you want to create a paragraph style like this, okay, make sure you have one style for the headings and one style for your body text, okay. And of course, in the table contents, we will use one of the style here, okay, to create, the table contents here. Another thing that might be necessary is, of course, you have to create page number, which is of course in the previous video, okay, just create page number in master page first, right? So next, when you have these two things, prepare, okay, the next thing is just create a table contents, which is very easy, okay, it's very easy. So let's take a look how to do it, okay. Okay, as you can see here on my screen here, there's a example, okay. So it's very short book, and actually usually it's not necessary to have this kind of like table contents for short documents like this, but sometimes it could have this kind of thing too, okay. The next thing is, okay, just go to layout here. All right, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so that you can see it clearly. Okay, go to layout and just go to table contents here, select it, and it will open this window for you, okay. So basically what you have to do is, of course, right now I already usually it's like this, okay. You select the style, okay, the paragraph style that you want to include in the table of contents. In this case, I call it headers, right? So the headings of each of the chapter, right? You add it, just click add it, just move it into the left, just like this, okay. If you don't click it, okay, will not show up in your table contents, okay. So be careful about that. The next thing that is pretty interesting is usually, okay, if you import this style into the table contents, it will keep the same style, okay. So it's going to be very big over there. That is not what we want, right? So we have two options here, okay. If you already have body text style, if you want to look it to look the same, then you can just select body text that you are correct, okay. But if you want it to be different from other style, then you might create paragraph style before, okay. You choose this command, right? So in this case, I will change entry style into body text and I will hit okay. Okay, don't worry about this. There's some oversized text here. Alright, I'm good. And then after that, just drag and drop, okay, the content here. And then after that, okay, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Just work with alignment, okay. For the chapter 1, you might, make sure it's perfect, but you don't have to for example, if you have very long document, right? And you want to have create a table content, if you do it manually, it will take forever, right? This function will make your work more easier. Easier, of course, okay. You don't have to repeatedly write your own page number. It will generate for you, so that's great, right?